Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Flexiroam eSIM. So what is Flexiroam eSIM? Flexiroam eSIM lets you enjoy global mobile data without a physical SIM card, perfect for travelers who want affordable data roaming. So step 1 is download the Flexiroam app. Go to Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then search for Flexiroam app, then download and install the app. Step 2 is sign up or log into Flexiroam. Open the app, sign up with your email or social media account, then verify your account. Step 3 is purchase an eSIM data plan. In the app, go to Get Data Plan, choose eSIM, select region or global plan. Then complete payment via your credit card or debit card or via any type of online banking. The step 4 is install the Flexiroam eSIM. After purchasing, you will receive eSIM QR code and manually installation details. To install via QR code, you just need to go to phone settings, then tap mobile network or cellular. Tap add eSIM or add cellular plan. Scan the QR code from Flexiroam app or email. Step 5 is activate Flexiroam eSIM. Once installed, go to settings and go to mobile data. Select Flexiroam eSIM as your data line. Turn on mobile data and data roaming. Step 6 is switch to Flexiroam data. Open the Flexiroam app, activate your purchased data plan. You're now ready to surf the internet. Here is some quick tips for you. Make sure your phone supports eSIM. iPhone XS and up, newer Android phones that support eSIM. Always install eSIM before traveling. Keep a copy of QR code for backup. Enable data roaming for Flexiroam eSIM to work properly. That's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.